Corrective action to take for slippage errors on the angle assembly. From the home screen, select the angle button on the status indicator on the right side. The red box is the status banner. Select the home button on the toolbar. The angle will home and the status banner will turn green. Under the Diagnostic menu, select Detail Diagnostic and select the Angle tab. It will show you the home position. Select the number that is shown in the Move to Position section. It will turn blue and a keypad will appear. In this example, the number showing is 90.000. On the keypad, enter 90.100 and then touch Move. This is a small incremental move to try to position the input coupling set screw to be visible through the input coupling access hole. So whatever the number is showing in the blue box, only increase the number you enter on the keypad by 0.100 at a time. You will need to have another person with you as an observer anytime you are checking the position of the input coupling while you are inside the stroke elevation chamber to make sure no one else touches any controls at all. Push in the e-stop. Open the stroke elevation chamber door. Remove the input coupling access hole cover and see if the set screw is visible. If it is not visible, close the stroke elevation chamber door, pull out the e-stop, and select the Move to Position box again. And on the keypad, enter another small incremental move, such as 90.200, and touch Move. Once the input coupling set screw is visible through the access hole, do a proper lockout-tagout procedure on the machine's main electrical panel. Push in on the yellow slide lever on the machine's main air pressure regulator and do a proper lockout-tagout procedure on it. Loosen the set screw with an Allen wrench and remove the motor from the motor gearbox adapter. This will expose the input coupling. As an option, you can also remove the motor gearbox adapter from the gearbox to better inspect the input coupling. Here is a photo of an input coupling installed, and a photo of a sleeve that is part of an input coupling that shows slippage damage due to a loose set screw causing the slippage error. Any part that shows damage needs to be replaced. If there is no visible damage, reattach the motor gearbox adapter if you have removed it. Reattach or replace the input coupling, lining up the set screw with the access hole. Use the Allen wrench to help hold the set screw in that position while reattaching the motor to the motor gearbox adapter, and tighten the set screw. Now, using a torque wrench with a hex key, torque the input coupling to the measurement shown on the screen. Reattach the access hole cover. Loosen and slide back the cable clamps and the stop arm. Now, torque the bolts on the output coupling hub to the measurement shown on the screen. Slide the stop arm and cable clamps back into position and tighten them back up. Close the stroke elevation chamber door. Reverse the lockout-tagout procedure.